business owner or aspiring online marketer? Have you seen your rivals earning like wildfire by using the internet? Are you aware of the immense growth opportunities that internet marketing can give to your business? I am sure you are nodding your head saying, yes. Cents is the average return on email marketing investment. Did that give you shock? Well, buddy, you're not alone. Countless business owners and online marketers are unable to generate targeted leads and buyers because they simply...
I really don't know if you knew about this, but by doing local marketing correctly, you can reach a significantly huge amount of additional offline customers. You can generate way more leads and sales using premium strategies. You will be dominating. You're lost. That's why you can't get it right. Imagine the opportunity to apply the same strategies that gurus use, strategies that might influence your video marketing efforts instantly. If you are one of those still trying to get it right with video marketing, giving up might